Welcome to 348 Sunflower Drive, a stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bath home in the sought-after Village Grande at English Mill, premier 55-plus community in Egg Harbor Township. This move-in ready home offers elegance, comfort, and fantastic lifestyle. So welcome to 348 Sunflower. Let's go take a look inside. As you step inside, you're greeted by beautiful crown moldings that flows throughout the home, adding a touch of sophistication. The hardwood floors in the main living areas provide warmth and timeless appeal. So as you step inside, one of the nice features you'll notice about this, you have this hallway here. We've got the hardwood floors, tray ceiling with crown molding. It's just a really nice, elegant touch as you walk right in the house. And you can follow me back through here. We have this open concept living room here, dining area, and the four-season sunroom. This kitchen is truly a chef's delight, featuring sleek granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of cabinetry. It's perfect for entertaining or preparing your favorite meals. The open concept design seamlessly connects to the dining area, creating an inviting space for gatherings. And back at the front of the house, we have an eat-in kitchen area. And as you follow me through here, we have a beautiful kitchen setup, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. We got the 42-inch cabinets, pantry area, so plenty of space here in the kitchen. And one of the standout features of this home is the Florida room, a bright and airy space where you can unwind, soak in the natural light, and enjoy a peaceful view of the backyard. One of the great features about this home is the beautiful sunroom. It's a four-season sunroom attached right off the dining area here. A lot of natural light. You can just sit here, enjoy the outdoor space, looking out to the backyard, and a great space to read a book, just hang out here in the sunroom. The primary suite offers a spacious retreat with a private ensuite bath and generous closet space. The second bedroom is perfect for guests or a home office, whatever fits your needs. So now we're in the owner's suite, and you have ample closet space, a walk-in closet here, a full closet over here on this side. You're coming into the bedroom space here, we have tray ceilings. It's a very spacious feeling here in the bedroom. So inside the owner's suite bathroom, we have a stand-up shower, step-in shower, soaking tub, dual vanities, linen closet, great space here for the bathroom. So back to the front side of the house here, we have the laundry room, which leads to the 2-car garage. We have a full bathroom here, and then the second bedroom right behind me. Another great feature of this home is the patio and the outdoor space. So you have a great size patio right here. You have some trees right behind you, a nice buffer area between the homes. Nice space to just sit out here and enjoy the outdoors. This home also includes a 2-car garage, offering ample storage and convenience. Plus, living in Village Grande at English Mill means you have access to top-notch amenities, including the clubhouse, fitness center, indoor and outdoor pools, tennis courts, and an active social scene. This move-in ready home is waiting for you. If you're looking for style, comfort, and a fantastic 55-plus community, 348 Sunflower Drive is the perfect choice. I help people achieve the highest quality of life through buying and selling real estate. Contact me for more information or to schedule a consultation with me. And if you're looking for new construction 55 and over homes, you'll want to check out this new community right here.